Door crashing. The threshold.
So talking about going out the gate, that's called gate crashing.
Gate
I know we
crashing,
have some video of you showing us, and I have to say that when you worked with our dog, it was amazing that you were there a couple of weeks ago before yesterday, and she remembered what you had taught her 2 weeks ago, because I haven't worked with her on this, and absolutely remembered not to go out the gate.
Now that's gate crashing. I'm going to release them from this gate and then praise them when they get into this area, and then they'll automatically be stuck in this area. There's another open gate down there, and they'll stay in this area. They won't crash that gate. Good boys. Okay. Good boys. Good boys. Now I'll walk out of this gate and they'll automatically stop. I'll praise them for stopping. Good boy. Good boys.